TechniCraft Automotive Group has built its name and brand through superb craftsmanship and customer service, which has been recognized by leading manufacturers and organizations in our industry. As a manufacturer-certified collision center that is iCar Gold Class certified, we adhere to the strict OEM procedures that guarantee quality repair work and ensure the customer's peace of mind. Take a look at the brands that have put their trust in the TechniCraft Automotive Group name. B&L Automotive Repairs, Bucktown Auto Body, Cosmetic Collision Repair, European and U.S. Collision Repair, Kallemeyn Auto Rebuilders, Performance Auto Repair Experts, S&S Paint and Body, Schaumburg Auto Body, and TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts. Call one of our auto body shops today for your collision damage repair needs.